All right, YouTube, how's it going? Just coming back from cutting wood from a customer saw that I've been working on. So I'm making this video after I cut the wood, but it'll be before. So this customer dropped off a Homelite Super Mini. Doesn't run, and if it did run, it would run very poorly, and it wouldn't rev up, and it wouldn't idle. So what I did was I took apart the carb. Here are the gaskets for it. I took all the gaskets off from the carb, put it in the ultrasonic cleaner for about an hour, and then ordered a OEM rebuild kit for it. So I installed an OEM rebuild kit for the carb. I also installed a new fuel filter, as well as this is the old fuel filter that was in it. I don't know why this was such a big fuel filter, but I had an OEM Homelite fuel filter that I put in there. Also replaced the fuel filter and spark plug, as well as clean the air filter. The bar, I don't have the bar here, but I have the bar had a lot of damage on the top. Looks like he hit concrete or a rock or a nail, put a chip in it, sharpened the chain. I also greased all the bearings, like the clutch bearing, as well as the bar. There's a little bearing in the front of the nose of the bar there. I greased that up. Put in fresh 32-to-1 mix. It took a few pulls to start, but once I got it started, I had to adjust the high and low speed, and as well as the idle on the carb. So the low speed on the carb, I have it set to 3/4 of a turn out. So turn it all the way in snug, and then turn it out 3/4 of a turn. Now the high, I have it all the way in, and then I have it out 1 full turn out. And then the idle, there's a little arm on the carb that you can bend to make it fit on the idle speed screw. So I have it set at a 45-degree angle, and then I turn the idle speed screw. I turn it at about, I think, a turn and a half. I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure it's a turn and a half. So the saw runs really well. It cuts like butter. I'm surprised at how well it cuts through that big log that I put in the video. So I'll get you guys to look at the video of it cutting. So get back.